Hello, this is Professor Kale, the Honorary Chancellor of Polymer Update Academy. This course focuses on basic properties of plastics, brief introduction to commonly used polymers and their manufacturing, compounding, master batches, various polymer processing techniques, additives and testing. This course is meant for personnel connected with the plastic industry but who may not have any formal plastic technology education. The course content is discussed in a simple way without much of chemistry and mathematics. This course can be attended by individuals seeking to expand their knowledge about plastics and polymers, entrepreneurs venturing into the field of plastics processing and the petrochemical sector, middle management, owners, sales and marketing, R&D and product development personnel. This can also be attended by people working in allied industries such as packaging, formulation and product development.